Hey, welcome back to the show. Happy New Year. It's 2019. We got a special unboxing today. Let's get started. It's going to be a triple unboxing. Let's start off with the new iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch LTE model, 256 gigs. 12.9 Wi-Fi and cellular, includes USB-C, which is the first time that they've included the USB-C on an actual iPad. You can like import directly from cameras, straight to videos, and output to an external monitor now, and a few other features. So I can't wait to unbox that. Then we have the new Apple Pencil. So new Apple Pencil has a straight part on it where it will allow it not to roll off the desk. You can do magnetic charging directly on the iPad from the side instead of that stupid non-Apple way of connecting it before. Oh my god, that was like one of the worst things I hated about the iPad Pro. You would just stick it in the end like I don't know, like some external dongle or something. That was like the worst thing ever. And then I chose to go with a case, the UAG Urban Armor Gear type of case. Usually I go a little bit low key, but I wanted to try something different, something a little bit more rugged, just in case I take it on the field. So let's get started. Let's get started with the iPad itself. Why not? So I hope everyone had a great holiday. I did. I know it's been a minute since I've actually been back. Just been working on a bunch of different things. Sorry for the delay, guys. You know, it's tough doing YouTube, the graphic design business. But, hey, that's my you know, cross to carry or whatever. But I'm happy to be back. I love doing this YouTube stuff for you guys. So you guys can ask me any questions. Feel free. Don't forget to follow me on all the social media. Eclipse Forever, ECLIPSE, FOREVER, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you like. I think we even have a Vimo, I think, as well. So let's take a look at this. Can't wait to use this thing here. iPad Pro. I love it. And I heard that they're actually getting Photoshop, which would be pretty cool. I've tried the Affinity app. It's pretty good. As usual, you don't really get a lot of different things. We do have a new plug for it. And this is the new USB-C connector, almost like the MacBook Pro. Nice plug, nice and slim, so it can fit into different things. Let's place that over here. Nothing else in here. What do we have? We have the usual Face ID. Oh, so this is the first iPad with Face ID, and you know, it's similar to the iPhone 10 and the iPhone XS, 10R, and the XS Max. Pretty simple. Nano SIM, Apple Pencil. What else do we have here? We have the SIM ejector, some paperwork, warranty paperwork, and of course our stickers. Bam. Okay, so let's just place all of this on the side. Okay, let's get to why we came here. Yo, already I can tell you I've had the 12.9 Pro since the first one, so this is the third one. This is smaller and lighter than the last series by a lot. Like, it doesn't even feel like it has any weight to it. That's crazy. So it's almost, you know, the footprint of it actually got smaller, but the screen stayed the same, I think they said. So here it is. And it's supposed to be like an actual sheet of paper now, like almost the same size. So take a look at these beautiful edges, man. Wow. Look at that. I love this shape. It reminds me of the iPhone 4, iPhone 4S. I love that series, like that round edge. I think that it'll stay up on its own too, from what I read. Yeah, I'm not gonna really try that myself though. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. I don't think so. Okay, anyway. So yeah, here it is. Let's power it on, see if it has any juice. In the meantime, let's open up the Apple Pencil. Is this thing dead? They usually has juice when it ships. This is the power button up here. I gotta hold it. Alright. So right here you can actually see the Face ID that they can you see it there? Right there. You can see the Face ID cameras. Let's see here. So I actually bought this. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. New Apple Pencil. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Magnetically attached to iPad Pro to pair, charge, and store. Double tap to change modes. So you can actually double tap. Reminds me of a Wacom pen. You can replace the tips. Okay. Does this come with the tips? I'm not sure. I don't think this one comes with the tips. The last Apple Pencil came with tips. I know that. So. Okay. So you see what I'm saying? It has a ridge now. So this ridge will help it from rolling off completely. And I believe it attaches to this side. And this is how it charges. Let's see. And this is how it charges, like so. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think it only attaches to that one side. Yeah, just to this side here, like that. Already, it's a vast improvement over the last series. Already. And finally, let's open up the case and see how it all fits. I've actually never used any of these cases before. I don't really like bulky cases, like I said. But when you're spending about, what is this, $1,200 on a portable machine, you definitely want to add some protection to it. And I needed something to hold the Apple Pencil itself, and this is one of the few cases that could do so. Let's take a look at this. So, Refined Protection Metropolis Series 360-degree protection. iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 3rd generation, adjustable stand, auto wake sleep, Apple Pencil compatible, traction grip, built to go further. Not compatible with Smart Key Folio. Device and Apple Pencil not included. Alrighty, so let's see how this fits. Let's place that there. And I guess this slides in. Or it just snaps in, maybe? Definitely has a tight grip. Okay. And then I think the Apple Pencil goes here to store it. And I think that's it. So, It has ridges like any other folio. Bam. Okay. Ba-ba-ba-ba. To watch TV. You can do it like this as well. And then you can do it like this, which is one of my favorites. Let's see. Okay, doesn't touch the Apple Pencil too much. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And this is how it looks. Interesting design here. Oh, this is where you store the pencil when you're not using it, I guess. Okay. Oh, I guess like when you're using it like this to grab it. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't like interfere here. And then I guess you can store it and carry it like this, which is pretty cool. It's not bad. It's actually very slim. So this feels very sturdy and well protected. I usually have like a smaller case on here. I don't know about this little part here though. This part seems to move. But all in all, it's not too bad of a case. It's pretty good. I think you're supposed to keep the pencil here. Oh, okay. Perfect. Yeah, I don't know if I would carry it like this too much because the pencil would get dirty all the time, like in your bag. But it seems like it's very well protected. I don't know if you could take, it'd be great if you could have taken this part off, because it would have been slimmer. This part seems to move a lot. I don't know what the deal is with, no, I guess it's magnetic, but okay, so you can't pull it all the way down. Alright, so that's not too bad. All in all, I think this case is pretty good. Yeah, I'd rock this case. I'm gonna keep it. I think everyone knows how to set up an iPad Pro or an iPad. It's the same setup as any other thing, so I will skip that part today and do that later because I have to add my SIM card and select a few options here, add it back to my new plan or whatever. I do know that you can just set it up manually, or you can set it up with your iPhone or any other iOS device, which is pretty cool. So, alright, you guys know what you guys think, and do you have an iPad Pro? What apps are you running? Do you like the Apple Pencil? Do you like the fact that they changed this to USB-C? The iPad Pro at all? Is it too overpowered? And I did wait a little while to get it. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it, but I sold my other one for a good price, so that's the only reason I got this one now. And I definitely wanted to get the Face ID and a few of the other features now, because this is an overpowered beast, and it'll be perfect for what I need it for. Hopefully when Photoshop comes out, we'll be able to do graphics like full-fledged on this thing. Alright, so I will see you guys on the next video. Follow me, like, subscribe, hit like down below, and try to subscribe for me. It helps the page out tremendously. I'll check you guys later. Peace.